welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. Since we made it to the 1,000 subscriber milestone, I wanted to thank every single one of you for choosing this channel. Also want to make this video to give you an overview. If you are new here, I really appreciate every single one of you for choosing a natural hair care channel to subscribe to. In this channel, I share how I take care of my hair on a daily basis. I share my wash day, I share the product that I use, I share everything that about hair. And this is what you can expect from this channel. You can expect a lot of wash day, a lot of styling. I style my hair on a weekly basis. In this channel, you will see a lot of hair styling. I style my own hair, and I usually do some sort of a protective style, either like a wash and go, a twist, mini braid, mini twist, or braid out, twist out, and a lot of style that I can wear for the whole week without having to comb my hair or brush my hair. So that's what I do in this channel. And also here and there I do incorporate other things that about me, about this channel. I try to talk a lot about topic about natural hair, because I am an advocate for wearing the hair that God bless you with, wearing your natural hair out. This is what this channel is about. I've been wearing my natural hair out for the past 6 years. Before 6 years, I was a relaxer. I used to relax my hair every 6 to 8 weeks, and then in 2018 I stopped relaxing my hair, and I cut it all off. After 10 months of transition, I transitioned for 10 months, and then I cut it all off, and I've been wearing my natural hair since then. I am not an expert, I am not a guru in the natural hair, but I do know a few things that I can share, my experience, I can share my practice, and that's what I do in this channel. One thing I'm going to also incorporate in this channel, I'm trying for you guys to get to know me a little bit more. So I'm going to try to incorporate some, maybe like a Saturday vlog in this channel. So do a vlog on a Saturday and upload it sometime during the week, just so you guys can get to know me. I know this channel is about hair, but I feel like if I'm bringing you all these things, you might want to know me. And I think that's one of the way that I can incorporate for you guys to get to know me better. I am Haitian. I say that in so many videos. I am a proud Haitian. I moved here when I was 18 years old, and I've been in this country since then. And I do have an accent. I speak Haitian Creole and a little bit of French, so you can expect me when I'm speaking English, you can hear the accent. So that's about what you can expect in this channel. I really wanted to make this video to thank you all. I do appreciate you. I appreciate the fact that you choose to click and subscribe. I really appreciate that, and I hope this video that I've been making been very helpful to you and been very useful to you, and you are learning from me. My goal is to have as many people wearing their natural hair out as possible, so I do answer any questions that you might have. I am very active in my comment section, so if you have any questions, I also have Facebook and Instagram. You can find me there and send me a message if you're not comfortable of sending a message under the videos on YouTube. I want you to know I am available to help you out, to help you wear your hair out naturally. Natural hair is a learning process. I am still learning, and I want to thank you for learning with me, because as we are growing, we are learning. I've been learning so much more about my natural hair since I opened this channel. So welcome, and thank you for choosing Naturally Rose Hair Care, and I will hope to see you on my next video. Bye.